Hello there, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to walk you through the process of how to change the admin on Google Workspace. If you're feeling a bit overwhelmed by Google's administrative controls, don't worry, I've got you covered. I'll guide you through each step meticulously, ensuring the process is smooth and easy to follow. To kick things off, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the main page of Google Workspace. You'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Your next move is to click on Accounts. This section is your go-to for everything related to user accounts within your Google Workspace, including the administrative roles assigned to each account. Once you're in the Account section, look for Admin Roles and click on it. This area is crucial as it allows you to manage and assign roles, a key function when you're looking to change who holds admin rights within your organization. Now, you're prepared to click on Assign Admin. This option is specifically designed for the task at hand, changing the admin on your Google Workspace. Clicking here will take you to the Role Assignment section. In this section, click on Assign Members. This is where you'll select the new administrator from your list of users. If the user you wish to appoint as an admin isn't immediately visible, utilize the search function to locate their profile. It's essential to double-check that you're choosing the right individual for this role. After finding and selecting the correct user, click on Assign Role. This final step officially grants the administrative role to the selected user, completing the process of changing the admin on your Google Workspace. And there you have it, a comprehensive and user-friendly guide to changing the admin on Google Workspace. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility, so choose individuals who are ready and capable of handling the administrative duties. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to your success in maintaining a secure and efficient Google Workspace environment.